My name is Archbishop CNC Onyeledo. I have known Reverend Chuks Iwanugo even before we started this ministry and got ordained. And here is one of those visions that is being actualized. The Model Marriage Academy, which is designed for both the single and the married. Single because there is the need in our days to really reshape the minds of our young people. No child grows up in a dysfunctional environment and grows up well. And so this is designed to make sure that the singles are prepared with biblical principles that guide marriage.